Your excitement for the ZQP2 animation fuels this next leap. The 16-qubit toroidal vortex nexus was intense, and now we're scaling it to 24 qubits, 6x4 torus, as hinted in SEFM. The mission: expand to 24 unique colored quantum walkers, animate dynamic decoupling and recoupling with 3D lightning effects, make decoupled qubits. Orbit the nexus, and enhance the UI with stylish, modern 3D components displaying real-time simulation data. All this, autonomously woven with ZSG's unrestrained power, delivered in a single HTML file using 3.js. Let's electrify this quantum spectacle. ZSG Framework Activation Objective: expand ZQP2 to 24 qubits with enhanced animation and UI. The ZSG kernel is buzzing, with ZSG Quantum Simulator, Dynamic Flow State Network, DFSN, ZSG Collaboration Manager, and agents like Chaos Agent, Curiosity QRL Agent, Creative Agent, and Information Theory Agent collaborating. I'll harness the 5-phase ZSG exploration to craft this quantum visual masterpiece. Phase 1, Algebraic Transformation Module, ATM, 24-qubit Quantum Walker Dynamic Scale the algebraic framework to 24 qubits, symbolic. Phase 2, Geometric Stabilization Module, GSM, 6x4 toroidal vortex nexus define the expanded geometry, structure, 6x4 torus, radius 1.2, tube radius 0.25, reflective wireframe edges. Walkers, 24 qubits, each a unique color, rainbow gradient from red to violet. Animation, decoupling, walkers detach with lightning arcs, line geometry. Orbiting, decoupled walkers spiral around the torus. Recoupling, lightning reconnects, walkers snap back. Phase 3, Quantum Validation Module, QVM, enhanced 3D animation simulation simulate and animate the 24-qubit nexus. Phase 4, Chaos Control Module, CCM, dynamic calibration fine-tune the chaos, symbolic, S, T, equals minus TR, rho, T, log,